Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm gonna give you a updated tour of the cut flower garden. I have not updated you guys since I planted them in. I'll link the video, but I want to show you how beautiful it is out here. And I have been sharing clips of some of the zinnias that I have planted in it, but you guys need to see the full-on view of what this cut flower garden looks like this year. It is beautiful. Just so full and gorgeous. It is just such a beautiful sight to come out here and just look at all of these flowers, you guys. I love it so much. The kids love it and it's just beautiful. The only thing is I have a hard time cutting these flowers. I have not cut any of them. The only thing that I did do a little cutting of was the calendula, because I'm drying it to have, you know, for later use. But everything is so beautiful and so full. It took it a minute to kind of take off, because a lot of times when you leave a plant overgrown in a pot for so long, it can have a hard time recovering. This is a dahlia grown from seed. It's very tiny. These plants usually are. There goes a caterpillar. You got a caterpillar on you, honey. Look at that. So cute. The struggle it took to grow all of these zinnias, to start them indoors, is so worth it right now. It was so hard to keep all of these happy and watered, but just look, it's worth it. It always is worth it. This has definitely brought 10 times more pollinators to the garden this year. The only thing that I haven't seen very much are monarchs. I've only seen 2 monarchs in the garden this year, and if you guys don't know already, that monarchs are on the endangered species list, so doing whatever we can to support them is best. So planting milkweed, which is their host plant for their caterpillars. It's the only plant that their caterpillars eat and where they will lay their eggs. And then planting lots of flowers. Butterfly bushes are great. Flowers where the pollen is easily accessible. also got some borage planted in here, just on the outside. These kind of self-seeded from last year's borage, so I just left them. This is the view from the top. You see our corn. This is glass gem corn back here. We've got dahlias, amaranth, zinnias, cosmos. There are a couple sunflowers in here, but I think they kind of got shaded out. So we've got cosmos here, which have just gorgeous texture. I love this texture. They haven't bloomed yet, but we're waiting. The texture alone is gorgeous. That's why I like to grow plants that offer flowers, but also offer a different element like texture, so that you can have something else to marvel at. And I just noticed this on my corn. Hopefully the other ones will start to go to flower so that we can pollinate. We'll see. I've got some pineapple sage in here. Here's a little sunflower that's just not doing a whole lot. I've got fruit bush that's taken off. I think this is blackberry. I love the cactus zinnias. They are some of my favorites. Cactus zinnia. We've got a bud here. Gorgeous. Here is the polar bear zinnia. There's another cactus zinnia looking amazing. I'm really loving the orange zinnias this year. I love the orange. It has been a standout color for me, something that has been catching my eye through the garden. Just beautiful. So I found some berries down here. Hi! Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I cannot wait. They're still really hard. They look gorgeous though. This space last year was just nothing like it is now. It just makes the garden feel so cozy, because this space is so full now. It feels very tucked in, and I love it. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. The one tip that I would give anyone who wants to garden or start a cut flower space is drip irrigation. I just got mine installed this year, and it has been a game changer. It's so helpful keeping the flowers happy in these hot temperatures. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.